Hey guys, so after my last video about reverting the Halloween notification sound on Discord, a lot of people commented asking how they can change it back to the sound they got rid of. So this video I'm just going to show you how to do that. So first you want to go to betterdiscord.app, I'll leave a link in the description, and download it. Once it's downloaded you want to launch it. And then accept. Then once it's installed, you want to go back to Google, and I'll leave a link to this in the description, but you want to download this plugin, Better Discord Notification Sounds. That will download, and then you want to launch Discord. Go here to settings, scroll down, and you'll see they've got their own settings here. You want to go to plugins, and then you click this, go to downloads, you want to drag in the thing you've downloaded from the website into this plugins folder. And then it needs something else to install so it works, but you just allow it to install. And then after that, go back to Discord, go to settings, scroll down, go back to plugins, and then here you want to look for notification sounds. You want to turn them both on. Then you want to click settings, add new sound. I'll just name this new sound. Then you want to add the file, save, then go back, go to sound configuration. You want to scroll down until you see message. You want to put your sound in. Yeah, so just all of these, and then we'll check if it works. Yep, so I can hear the new sound. Yep, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.